Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the basics ready. Sign into your Xbox with an account that can use voice features and plug in a headset so you can hear and speak. Once done, open settings and test the microphone under devices and connections to confirm audio levels. Next, make sure privacy permits voice and multiplayer communication. Navigate to account privacy and online safety and set communications to allow. This is essential because Roblox on console relies on Xbox Party Voice rather than an in-game chat feature. You now create and manage an Xbox party to use voice with Roblox. Press the guide, choose parties, and create a new party, inviting the friends who will join your Roblox game. Once created, set the party chat to open or invite only depending on your preference. Open is easiest when coordinating quickly. Then launch Roblox and your chosen game. Return to the guide to adjust the audio mixer so party voice and game audio balance correctly. Make sure everyone stays in the party before entering the Roblox session to keep voice active. You finish by launching Roblox while the Xbox party is active so voice routes through party chat rather than an in-game voice system. Once in the game, use the party overlay to mute or unmute yourself and manage participants. Individual volume sliders help balance loud or quiet players. If voice fails, verify NAT type, double-check privacy settings, and ensure the headset works in system tests. As a quick fix, restart the console and rejoin the party. That single troubleshooting step often resolves common connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.